Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple flan. First, let's create the delicious caramel base. You'll need about 1 cup of granulated sugar. Melt it gently in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a beautiful golden amber. Carefully pour this hot caramel into your 8-inch round baking dish, swirling to coat the bottom. Let it cool and harden completely. This step is crucial for a perfect flan. Next, we'll prepare our apples and the creamy custard. Take 2 medium apples, like Granny Smith, and peel, core, and thinly slice them. Arrange these slices neatly over the cooled caramel in your dish. For the custard, whisk together 4 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. Now it's time to assemble and bake our delightful flan. Carefully pour the custard mixture over the apple slices in your caramel-lined dish. To ensure even cooking and a silky texture, place your baking dish into a larger roasting pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the flan dish. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. Finally, let's talk about cooling and serving your exquisite apple flan. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and the water bath. Let it cool completely at room temperature. Then, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge, then invert the flan onto a serving plate. The luscious caramel will cascade down beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.